We have reviewed perimeter, and now we are going to learn about or review area. So perimeter was the distance around a shape. So here's my rectangle, and the area is the total distance inside the entire rectangle. Okay, so essentially it's all of this, whereas perimeter is the outside, area is the inside. Let's look at the big grid. Okay. So here is this big grid. We already reviewed that when in this grid, each horizontal line is 1 centimeter apart. So we can use centimeters as our units. Now, when we think about area, we're thinking about square units because we're not looking at the outside of our shape. We are looking at the inside, and inside our shape are a whole bunch of squares. So we have square units. If we look at this rectangle here, we can find the area by counting how many squares are inside the shape. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Why you got to do this? 4, 5. So inside this rectangle, I have 15 square units. So I'm going to say that my area is equal to 15 centimeters squared. Do you see how my area, the 15 came from how many squares are inside the area? So area is the total distance inside of a shape. Let's try another one. Let's try a different shape. Let's do one that's not a rectangle. Let's do an irregular shape. The way I find the area is still the same. I'm going to count all of the squares inside of my polygon. Let's do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the area is 17 centimeters squared.